is the Modern Higala. It's summer and wala mong kauban karon nga si Sexy Claire. Siguro nakato siya karon, no? Missing in action.
Nangita siya to siya og kanang iyang own summer vacation.
Oo, or nangita siya mga ka-summer lang. We all know nga most of the Filipinos really love to go outing every time na summer, no?
Especially sa mga beaches.
And isa gyud ana sa mga tourist destination ang Bohol. For this episode, we are going to tell you kung unsa na mapag-adto dito sa Bohol, pila mong nagasto, unsa sa kamahal, and so much more.
So, gikan sa Cagayan de Oro, daghan tag options para matug Bohol. So, pwede ta mo adto by plane or by ferry. So, since ang among trip karon is backpacker style, so among gipili is ang ferry kay ang difference sa ferry is dako gid kayo. So, sa karon nga trip is Panglao mi nagstay.
So, pag-abot naman sa Panglao, sa Alona Beach Road, we stayed at this very cozy place called the Backpackers Bar, and we saw that one sa Airbnb.
It cost us around 800 pesos per night for each person. So, mao na siya ang lowest price nga mo nakita so far in atong time. And dool ra siya sa Alona Beach nga kung asa mi manukad padulong sa among island hopping, which is also booked through
Klook. We booked actually a charter boat
through Klook.
So Klook is an application, and then that boat costs around
2,300.
Yes, 2,300, which is already good for 3 to 5 people. So nice kay siya. It was only the two of us nga naa dito sa boat.
So ang among itinerary adto nga island hopping is first we have our dolphin watching and mesmerizing it kay mga dolphin. So daghan kay sila adto early in the morning. And next stop na mo is ang Balikasag Island where ang fish sanctuary and ang turtle watching experience with Miana. And after that is ningato din mi sa Virgin Island.
What I really like about the island hopping adventure, kay wala ko na-expect nga na ito giday katsada, no? When you think of Bohol, you would instantly think of Chocolate Hills and Tarsier, pero there's actually more than that, and nice gid kayo itong experience to watch the dolphins early in the morning. Muraga sayo-sayo sila nga show off sa imuha, no? Nice gid kayo sila tan-awon. When we got to Balikasag Island dito sa fish sanctuary, we got to see pawikans, mga dagan kay turtles, and I thought isa lang kabuok ang amon na makitaan na makaswim na, pero daghan po dagid sila dito.
Actually ang Bohol tsada gid ang mga beaches in Bohol, so you should visit the beaches in Bohol.
In the evening, we got to have the chance to party sa Alona Beach Road, and it really gives us somewhat a Boracay vibes. Pero lahi po siya sa Boracay, kay it's clean, medyo peaceful na siya. Bibo, pero peaceful, dili kay overcrowded, unlike sa Boracay.
Pero sa Bohol is medyo gamay lang siya, pero daghan kay og mga establishments nga nadadto, which is limpyo pod sila, and it's very bibo pod dito.
On the next day, we got the countryside tour.
For our countryside tour, nag-search mi sa internet o kanang mga travel agency para convenient ra pud sa amuha. So we found kanang the Wow Bohol tours, and kanang nag-book mi sila og kanang rent a car. It costs us around 2,300, which will accommodate 2 to 4 persons. Ang included ana nga itinerary is ang Blood Compact site, ang Python and Butterfly Garden, and ang katong Tarsier Conservation Center, and apila po ang Chocolate Hills.
and then also ang katada yung man-made forest.
Man-made forest.
For me, medyo exciting po siya kay it was really my first time to see Tarsier, so may good kayo siya, and then Chocolate Hills. And we ended the tour at around 5 p.m.
So at that time, gidrop off mi sa terminal sa Tagbilaran, dapit sa
Island City Mall, and
City Mall.
it was a very cozy mall po. Murag it's away from the island life. Murag actually nice po ang sasulod niya. Dagan kay establishments nga mo nakita, which actually dito po mi nagkaon sa among, we got our merienda there before we left for Hagna.
So nakaabot din mi sa Hagna around mga 7:30, and dato na din mi nag-dinner, and
Actually mo to ang murag best meal for us kay aside sa cheap siya, lami siya, and it's Filipino. So kung gusto gid mo nga makasave gid kay mo, you try the carinerias near the port. And so that's it. So grabe gid kayo to nga adventure namo sa Bohol.
Yes.
Although short siya pero daghan kay mig nabuhat, and I really enjoyed this trip. Ikaw na-enjoy ba niyo?
enjoy gid kayo, as in hype up kayo. Although nakadto na ko Bohol, pero this experience was a memorable one. And personal favorite na ko ay katong island hopping, dolphin watching, fish sanctuary, turtle, and I just love the sea, and I just love the view. Kanang marag in touch with nature gid kay mi adtong mga panahon. And
yes, and exactly. Ako po, personal favorite po gid nako ang island hopping. Dili kay siya usual for me. Di ko kabalo maglangoy, pero I don't know. Gana nice yun kayo na experience ang mag-swim with the fishes, with the turtles, seeing the dolphins, tanan, being under the sun, then beach life kayo, peaceful, clean water. You get to appreciate nature. So that's it mga higala. So tell us more kung asa pa ninyo gusto mo ipaadto. If naamoy gusto ipang share nga mga experiences sa Bohol ninyo, please write it down on the comment section below. Or kung naamoy gusto nga ipaadto mi nga place soon for our next adventure, also type it down on the comment section below. So that's it mga higala. We're out of time. I hope you enjoyed our Bohol trip. So that's it mga higala. This is another episode of the Modern Higala.
enjoy watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.